are doing revision of each chapters. So this is the revision of A Journey Through Desert by Sudha Murthy. About the author. Sudha Murthy is an Indian engineer teacher. So she used to teach in engineering colleges and she is still alive. That's why we are using is. Sudha Murthy is an Indian engineering teacher and Kannada and English author. So she writes in Kannadan language and in English language. She has founded several orphanages, participated in rural development efforts, supported the movement to provide all Karnataka government schools with computer and library facilities. So mainly we can see she has worked for the underprivileged society for the rural development by providing computers in Kannada school in Karnataka for Karnataka government, and also she has founded several orphanages. So she is a very soft-hearted lady. This is the author of the story A Journey Through Desert. About the story. Ram and Gopal were in a difficult situation and they were not able to satisfy their basic needs. Who? Ram and Gopal. We know they are the main characters of the story. So these two boys were in a difficult situation and they were not able to satisfy their basic needs. They were not educated. Okay, these are the two main points of these two main characters, Ram and Gopal. Ram and Gopal are the main character of the stories. And how are they? They are in a difficult situation. They were not able to satisfy their basic needs, means they were not able to eat properly, live properly, and they were not educated. Two boys, Ram and Gopal. Next, the narrator helped them not only with their work but also their education. The narrator helped them not only with their work but also their education. How? The twins were enthusiastic to listen to the stories. So Ram and Gopal were two boys. They were very poor. The narrator used to help them by telling stories. She used to educate them by telling stories. So this is the main thing. This is the past story. The narrator takes us to the past and tells about these two things. What? Firstly, two boys, Ram and Gopal, uneducated twins. And second is that the narrator, means the author who is telling the story to us, she is telling that she used to help them in their education by telling them stories. Aftermath. So what happens after that? The narrator was not able to read stories to them anymore because of their decreased meeting. So the narrator, after telling some stories to Ram and Gopal, then they were not able to meet again. So the storytelling process stopped. So what we come to know about the past story? These three things. First thing is Ram and Gopal were two uneducated boys. Second is the narrator used to tell stories to them. And third is the narrator stopped telling stories to them. So what happens after that? Present story. After the aftermath. Some years later, what happens? The narrator visits the Good Luck Garage. Narrator goes to visit a Good Luck Garage where she meets the grown-up Ram. Who is Ram? Ram was an uneducated boy who used to hear stories from the narrator. So now what did Ram says? Ram is now a successful man with a well-running garage. So this is the result. Ram tells about his own condition and also Gopal's condition. Who were Ram and Gopal? They were two uneducated boys who used to hear stories from the narrator. And now, what happens after 10 years? After 10 years, Ram is the owner of a garage, and Gopal went to accomplish more than he could, and hence he could not succeed. He now worked as a helper in an office. So this is the result. This is the present condition. What is the present condition? Ram owns a garage and Gopal works as a helper. Who were these two boys? They were uneducated twins who used to hear stories from the narrator. And what happened after 10 years? After 10 years, Ram became the owner of the garage and Gopal a helper. So how did this change happen? How did these two boys, one Ram, how did he from an uneducated person who used to work in a service center, how did this boy changed and became the owner of a garage? This is how this thing happened. Ram tells that I heard a story from you, tells this to the narrator. Ram tells this to the narrator that I heard a story from you and that changed my life. And Gopal's life also changed like a story. So what was that story that changed Ram from working in a service center to owning a garage? This story. Ram's story described via a story of a young boy. So Ram's success story can be described with the help of a story of a young boy who despite of the difficulties walked a desert to reach the other side of the desert to a better place. Okay, his filthy stones turned into diamonds, which symbolizes success. Means what happens? Ram was an uneducated boy. I told you he used to hear stories from the narrator, and finally after 10 years Ram owns a garage. So this story changed. Ram's story changed. Ram became successful after hearing one story from the narrator, and this story can be compared to Ram's own life also. So what was the story? The story was of a young boy. What did this young boy do? This young boy, in spite of all the difficulties, walked through a desert and collected stones. And one morning, when he crossed the desert, in spite of the hot sun, in spite of the warm sand in the desert, you know how tough it is to cross a desert. So, in spite of all the difficulties, that boy crossed the desert. And what happened when he crossed the desert? All the stones turned into diamond. What stones? Those stones that he had been collecting on the way to cross the desert. So this was the story. And what did Ram learn from this story? Ram learned that in spite of all the difficulties, we have to work. So this story, the story is mentioned here in short. You can have to see the whole explanation and the geo explanation to understand it in details. In short, as this is a revision lesson, so it's short, just remember that the story of the narrator changed Ram's life. And Gopal's life also changed. Gopal's story is what? Gopal story was described via a story of the jackal. So Gopal's life changed, this was told through another story. What story? The story of a jackal who wished for nothing but a big meal, but he was starved later on because of his failure, as he ignored the small things. So the jackal went to have big things, but he ignored all the small things. He ignored what he could have in his life. Instead, he wanted very big things. So what happened? As he ignored the small things he could have eaten to not starve. So he did ignore the small things and he opted for the big things, and this changed his life. So symbolizes, what does this symbolizes? This symbolizes this doing more than your capacity and failing. Okay, so what did Gopal do? Gopal wanted things beyond his capacity, and as a result he could not achieve even the small things which was in his capacity. So we should not go for very huge things, instead we should go for small things. This is how Gopal turned a failure and he just worked as a helper. So what we come to know? We come to know that there were two boys, Ram and Gopal, and they were in a difficult situation and they were not able to satisfy their basic needs. The narrator used to tell them stories, and finally the telling the story, this process stopped. Then the narrator takes us 10 years later, and then what happens? Then Ram is the owner of a garage and Gopal works as a helper. Ram's story is compared to a story of a boy who does not gives up and collects stones when he walks through the desert, and finally the stones turns into diamonds. So two stories are mentioned over here for explaining Ram's success story, Ram's life story. The narrator brings another story in the picture, the story of a boy who was crossing a desert, and that story is compared to Ram's life. Similarly, Gopal's story is also different. Gopal's story is compared to another story of a jackal who wanted to have materials beyond his capacity and he turned as a failure. So, two stories are used over here to describe Ram's success story and Gopal's failure story. So, this is what the story is about. A journey through desert. This is the story of Ram and Gopal and a narrator who has been telling them stories. And at the end we will see Ram being a successful garage owner and Gopal a failure. And for comparing both each other's life, two another stories are mentioned in the picture. One of a boy who crosses a desert and one of a jackal who turns to be a failure.